They're going.
Willow, you playing with your little ducky? Do you like your little ducky? And Ashton likes his little ducky too. The little ducky is a friend, huh? Yeah, the little ducky is fun to chew on. Can you say hi to Daddy? Say hi. Say, I like my little ducky. Yes, I like my little ducky. And Ashton, you like the little ducky too, huh? This is fun. Yeah, this is fun. It's fun to play with the ducky. Yes, it is. Such good little puppies. You're such good little puppies. Yes, you are. Can you say hi? Can you wave and say hi? Say hi. Say hi. Such good little doggies. Yeah. Ducky thinks it's fun too. Ducky thinks it's fun too. There, Ashton said hi. Willow, can you say hi to Daddy? Say hi. Yeah. So fun. Oh, we really like little duck eyeballs, don't we? Yeah. Big yawn. Big yawn. Such a good little